Is your Wi-Fi slow or unstable on your iPhone? There's a feature called Wi-Fi Assist that can automatically switch to mobile data, and here's how to turn it on. Wi-Fi Assist helps keep your connection smooth by using cellular data when your Wi-Fi signal is weak. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your region. Scroll all the way down until you find Wi-Fi Assist. Tap the toggle next to Wi-Fi Assist to turn it on. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically switch to mobile data when your Wi-Fi connection becomes weak or unreliable. This helps avoid slow loading times, buffering, or dropped connections while browsing or using apps. If you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same setting and toggle it off. Keep in mind, Wi-Fi Assist uses your mobile data, so it may increase your data usage slightly. You can also check how much data it's used by scrolling to the bottom of the cellular page. And that's it. You've now turned on Wi-Fi Assist on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.